This how to 1 minute will show you how to fix Instagram message reply option not showing. So the first thing you can do is update your Instagram app. To do that, go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram, and if you see any update available, then update your Instagram app and check the problem if fixed or not. And the second solution is uninstall and reinstall your Instagram app and then check the problem if fixed or not. And remember one thing, check if message swipe reply is not available in your country. So you have tried all the above and get the swipe message reply feature is missing. Check if the feature is available in your country. Ask your friends and family members if it is available to them. Also, try to log in into your Instagram account on other devices, someone else's smartphone. Then you can report the issue to Facebook and see what you get. In this case, you can't do anything about it. A VPN could help, I'm not sure. So all you can do is you can use a VPN and you can check the problem if fixed or not. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.